when the operation of the machine becomes so odious, makes you so sick at heart that you can't take part. You can't even passively take part. And you've got to put your bodies upon the gears and upon the wheels, upon the levers, upon all the apparatus, and you've got to make it stop.
To save face, how low can you go? Talk a lot of game, but yet you don't know. Static on the way, make us all say whoa. The people up top push the people down low. Get